Dramatic shootout at the intersection of Trafalgar Road has left 2 men deceased and another in police custody. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember just to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with the latest news report. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV News Report. There was high drama at the intersection of Trafalgar Road after 3 alleged gunmen engaged the police in what is now being described as a deadly shootout. 2 alleged gunmen are now dead and another in police custody following a dramatic shootout with police at the intersection of Trafalgar Road in St. Andrew just before midday today. In a news release, the Corporate Communications Unit in the Jamaica Constabulary Force also confirmed that 2 illegal firearms were seized in the incident. The 3 men were reportedly traveling in a white Toyota Axio motor car that is suspected to have been involved in a shooting incident earlier in the day. The 3 individuals that were traveling in this motor car were suspected to have been involved in a shooting incident earlier on in the day in Swallowfield, St. Andrew. It is further reported that the Police Emergency Communications Center was informed about the shooting incident and a quick response team was dispatched in search of the wanted individuals. It was at this time that the vehicle was intercepted at the intersection of Hope Road and Trafalgar Road. While the police sought to apprehend the individuals, the suspect engaged the police in what is described as a deadly shootout. The dramatic incident that unfolded was caught on amateur video. However, the police are advising members of the public to avoid this area as there is a strong contingent of police on location right now carrying out an intensive investigation. So we're about now to share with you the amateur video that was captured of the whole entire situation as it unfolded. This is Links 007 TV. Thanks for watching.
Mass shooting and killed 10 people at a Boulder supermarket on March 22.